As the off-the-road tire market grows, specialty tire manufacturers need a flexible production process to stay competitive. Steelastic's innovative calendarless process offers the best solution to meet your tire component production demands. The Steelastic OTR belt system produces premium quality belt and ply material without the need for expensive, inflexible calendaring equipment. With unmatched versatility and efficiency, our system is designed for swift changeovers, so you gain the flexibility to profitably manufacture smaller batches of multiple SKUs. Customized to fit your belt specifications, our heavy-duty OTR system is equipped to handle wider sheets of thicker material, reinforced with either steel or textile cords. With our highly controlled system, you can achieve the precise width, gauge, and edge straightness needed for your belt as well, and in an extremely accurate splice and angle. As a continuous process, from extrusion to wind-up. This single operator system eliminates the need for additional handling and processing, saving you critical time and labor resources with greater scheduling flexibility. Discover the versatility and efficiency of going calendarless with your OTR tire production. Contact Steelastic today.